Alright guys, so got another box in today. Another goodie came in the mail. This one we actually did pretty good on, honestly. So, what we got here this is the new GoPro 7 Black, Hero Black. So let me first talk about, get rid of that. Let's first talk about what we did to get this. Now, brand new, this is over 400 bucks brand new. Now, they're running a thing called trade up right now. So, to put it as simply as possible, any digital camera that costs more than $100 brand new, or any old GoPro, working or not, they can be broken, it doesn't matter. If it costs more than $100 when it's brand new, you can contact them, order this, and then what they do is they send you an email that's got information for FedEx. So basically they're going to pay to ship this used or damaged or whatever camera back to them. Once they receive it, within 7 days, they should ship this. Okay? So basically it cost me $326 or $328. So basically I got $100 off. So let's take a look at what comes with and just go through it here. Now, this one has the new image stability, the Hyper Smooth. So it's supposed to really be amazing. Open it up here. Out of here. So, continue in here. Got a slide mount. Another mount. Charger data cable. Battery. Let's see what we got here. Stickers, help card, plus. Alright. So here is the new camera. Okay. Obviously that's how you take it out. Of the holder. It's really tight because it's brand new. Okay, so there's your case. Take that off. Okay. So, agree. So we got to install the app. Go back. Skip the setup. So you can change out Pro Tools, Photo Lapse. It's a pretty slick little setup. Very interested to see how it's going to perform. So if you come to the side here, you can see your ports there, charging, setting up a mic, you know, all that good stuff. There's your battery door, mode button. And on the front, it's closed up. You got all the different settings so you can see what it's doing. You can see the battery's low, no SD. You get the point. It's pretty basic. There's really not a lot to it. There is a lot of settings in there if you want to go into it, especially if you want to Pro Tune it. I don't necessarily need to mess with that right now. Not in just the basic setup here. But I'm big on wanting to see how this stability issue, you know, this hyper smooth, I want to see if it's really cracked up to be what it's supposed to be. Because we normally record with a gimbal, Galaxy S7, and the S7 has the EIS and OIS stability. So you're basically getting 3 points of stability in our videos. And I want to see if this thing can keep up. This was actually bought for my wife, Missy. That way she doesn't have to mess with the gimbal and everything else. She can just take this and go shoot the videos. It's also nice because of the waterproof to a point. I mean, you can't really have a mic hooked to it if you're going to be using it waterproof. But we got some adventures this summer. They're going to be in water, so we're going to need to have this on those trips. So let's get it outside. Let's see what it does in the trail. See how much bounce there is. Okay, so we're going to do some outdoor testing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Obviously, we're not using any external microphones. It is in its case. We have it set with the Hyper Smooth on. We're doing 2.7 on the quality, 60 frames per second. So let's take it down over the hill and see what it can do. deer. Anyways, I'm not trying to be nice to this thing. I'm bouncing all over the place. I'm not being nice to it at all. I actually don't even have it on a mount. I'm just holding it with my hand with the little clip, the little slide clip under it that comes with it. I don't see any point in sugarcoating this. I want this to be a fair kind of unboxing, initial impression review. So I'm walking on gravel, bouncing as I go. You can see me moving. Well, I don't know if it'll let you see me moving, but I'm bouncing pretty good. I'm not trying to be nice about it. I'm not moving slow or with any kind of intent. I'm just walking around. I'll be interested to see what the quality is. Any of you that's seen any of our other videos know that we use the Samsung Galaxy S7 and we use a gimbal to smooth out the footage. So essentially you've got OIS, EIS, and the gimbal all working in conjunction to smooth out the video. With this, we're trying to make the GoPro do it all by itself. So it's probably not going to be as good, but I think it'll be good enough. This is our second camera rig we're setting up for my wife. Make it easier. She's doing a lot of these girls that hike videos and a lot of female solo and group hikes, group overnights. So I'm hoping that this will just be the perfect feature. Now, mind you, the audio is not going to be real great because, like I said, we don't have any external microphone hooked to this yet. We do have it, and we'll be doing a test of that. We'll also be doing a head-to-head test. I'm building a mount, and we're going to put the camera that we currently use, the S7, on the gimbal and do head-to-head against this with side-by-side footage. So make sure you keep an eye on our channel, watch for that. So I'm gonna take and get a little bit more footage going up the hill, but just remember, this was $328 out the door. So use that trade up while they're willing to do that if you want one of these. But until next time, I'm Tony with Our World Outdoors. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video. And if you want to see more like it, please let me know down in the comments.